Hi, welcome back to school. Welcome to TNCA if you're new, or welcome back if you're returning. I'm Miss Eden. I'm going to be your teacher this year for geometry, and I wanted to just give you a little bit of background about myself. So I have spent, this will be my 8th year teaching, so 6 years I spent in the brick and mortar. 4 of those years were in Pennsylvania, 2 years were in Tennessee, and last year was my first year with TNCA. So I'm really excited to be back this year and really do some new, hopefully kind of exciting things. Last year I taught algebra, so geometry will be a little different in the virtual setting. I'm really excited to kind of get my hands in there. So I got my bachelor's from Shippensburg University, which is in Pennsylvania. I also got a master's in 21st century teaching and learning from Wilkes University, which is also in Pennsylvania. I'm currently taking classes working on a doctorate in curriculum and instruction. So I'm a fairly new mom. She's a little over a year old now. Her name is Maisie Octavia. She was born April 9th. She is the highlight of everything I do. Here's kind of the whole gang. Tiny is the cat that is not so tiny, up on the top. Taser's the dog. Emmett is another cat that we have that's quite large. And then that was my baby a long time ago. I think she was only like 3 months there. But that's kind of the whole gang. What do I enjoy? I enjoy reading. I enjoy Minecraft, but I haven't played it very much. I enjoy going to Walmart because that's about the only store that there is where I live to go to. And it's actually not very cool that they're shutting down so early. I mean, I understand why, but a lot of times I find myself needing something at like 9:30 at night and I can't go. That in the top part there is a picture of me a long time ago, probably like 12, 15 years ago, in a drum corps. So a drum corps is kind of like a semi-professional marching band, except you don't get paid to do it. You're just having fun and doing it because you want to. So I kind of talked about this a little bit. I actually have spent 4 years out of that, soon to be 8, teaching geometry and statistics, and 3 years I taught Algebra 1. So just a couple of reminders as you guys are getting started, kind of looking around Connexus. The thing you should do is check your webmail every single day. That should be the first thing you do when you sit down at the computer in the morning. Check your webmail. There could be important information, important time changes, maybe, you know, I'm sick and I can't do the live lesson that day or something. So check your webmail. Each of your to-do lists and your planners will have the amount of the lessons that you're supposed to do each day. So make sure you're completing those. As long as you complete those each day, you will stay on task and not be past due. Show pride in your assignments. Take pride in completing them. Don't try to just look up the answers. I know that sometimes it's hard and it's kind of, you know, maybe the easier route to do, but don't do that. That's not really taking pride in your assignments. So try and take pride in your assignments and show me that you actually want to attempt. Ask me for help. Set up a one-on-one with me. Whatever you may want to do to get you to understand that assignment. Check our message board. Huge, huge, huge. Our message board will have a ton of information on it for you to get help from the class. CBAs, these are kind of like math chats that we have. There'll be one each semester. So at some point, I will be asking you to set up an appointment to meet with me for that. And like I said, they're just kind of like chatting about math. It's nothing too strenuous or crazy. It's not like you need to have your notes next to you or anything. And then, of course, attend live lessons. Come to the live lesson, check it out, talk with your friends, learn something new, do some fun activities. We're going to do a lot of stuff in our live lessons, so I definitely want you guys to attend those. In case you aren't sure and you haven't really gotten in, if you're going to contact me, on your homepage over on the right-hand side is your list of teachers. So my name will be there somewhere, along with my phone number, the link to my live lesson room. You can click on the little envelope to webmail me. And of course, my message board will also have my You Can Book Me link, which is how you would set up a time to work with me one-on-one. So that's really all that I have. Just a quick intro for myself. I am really excited to get to know you guys. I will see you guys at my intro live lesson on Tuesday. Thanks so much. Bye.